Is water picking better than flossing? Here are my thoughts. I hate to say it depends because I know that's not a straight answer, but it really does depend. I find that if you have gingivitis, periodontal disease, spaces between the teeth, a lot of inflammation in the mouth, I prefer water picking. One, because it's much more thorough at flushing out that bacteria and really cleaning out the spaces between the tooth and the gum. It's also a little bit less technique sensitive than flossing. If flossing is done right, it can be really helpful, but if flossing is done too aggressively, it can cause more harm than good. But if you have really, really close together contacts between the teeth, flossing is really beneficial to help clean that space. And you want to use something that's maybe waxed or woven over something that's really slippery and glides. But also, our teeth aren't perfectly flat next to each other. They do have sort of like a kidney bean shape to them. So sometimes if you're flossing and your teeth do have that shape, you're only going to be getting each high point between the tooth and you're going to be missing a little bit in between. So sometimes the water pick is much more beneficial for that as well. So how I approach this with my patients is usually if they're flossing and things look amazing, they have low inflammation, no bleeding, and everything looks good, I'm just going to say, keep doing what you're doing. If it's not broken, don't fix it. But if they do still have a lot of inflammation, they're flossing correctly, you're doing it consistently, then I would switch them over to a water pick. For the people who refuse to floss, just go straight to a water pick. If you're not going to floss now, you're probably not going to floss in general. So try the water pick. You'll enjoy it a lot. I prefer the countertop model, but if you think that's really messy, you can always buy the handheld one. It's not as powerful, but you can still use it and then bring it into the shower. Hope that helps.